coronavirus pandemic has forced a lot of people who are out of work to find some new ways to make a living.
And that includes a local musician who's reinventing himself with a new career as a home organizer.
Musical talent has taken Indy's Greg Gilpin all over the world as a composer, educator, and choral conductor. His last concert, last March, right before COVID-19 sent everyone into crisis.
I was on a stage at Carnegie Hall, had 350 singers, but I left on that Monday, and that's when it went crazy in New York. It was dead. There was nothing. The music died. You know, when you take your love away, which a lot of people have had that happen in the arts this year, you take it away, you don't know what to do with yourself. Hello, everyone. This is Greg Gilpin.
Gilpin started a YouTube channel for music teachers, and then this fall, he improvised.
Organizing ideas.
Getting certified as a professional home organizer.
But we have a pantry. Everything that I do musically, I do as an organizer. This is a lazy Susan. Whatever the space is, that's kind of my choir. If I'm not doing this, then I'm moving something else, and it's great. Tupperware.
Gilpin is one of an estimated 63% of workers who lost jobs in the pandemic, making at least a temporary career change.
And I got this little carrier.
His company appropriately named Maestro Organizing.
If you want to follow me down the hallway,
safely gives tips and tricks to declutter.
Put all of our magnets, like artwork.
For people now spending much more time at home.
Right, Jamie, everything was everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here's the before and after in a client's garage.
And all you do is nail these boards on here, and you have automatic shelves in your unfinished garage.
Now much more organized by a man who can orchestrate a clean composition.
Composition complete. You've been maestronized.
Gilpin says this year has actually been a gift. Time to reinvent and find new ways to create joy.
There's Susan again. Give me your closets. Give me your kitchens. Give me all of that. I will get in there and the maestro will work.
Although he's ready to get back to his passion when the pandemic is over.
Such a talent. Gilpin has 2 concerts booked at Carnegie Hall for 2022. He believes there will be an arts renaissance once everything's safe again. In the meantime, if you'd like to check out Maestro Organizing, we have a link for you with this story on WTHR.com.